开始。
Okay, now we come to the final part. This controller we use just in the second part. We use these panels to control the hardwire signal to control the relay, and now in this part we will use the CAN tool. This is the CAN tool we use to control the integrated controller. Before we do that, we need to add some control, the light. Now we like to explain the light of this panel. In our connector number 31 and number 32 and number 33 is the feedback of the relay. The feedback of the relay means that when the MCU1 relay is on, the feedback signal will send to the VCU. The feedback signal will send to the VCU is based on when the relay is on, the feedback pins will not output the ground signal. So we use these three lights. So this is number 4 is MCU1, number 5 is MCU2, number 6 is fast charge relay. So when I turn on number 1 relay, when MCU relay is on, the feedback signal ground will be not output, so the light is off. When I turn on MCU2, also the feedback signal of MCU2 will not send the ground signal, so the light will be off. And the fast charge feedback, when I turn on the fast charge relay, the light also will be off because the feedback signal is not sending the ground signal, so the light will be off. So when the relays, when the MCU1, MCU2, and fast charge relay is off, the feedback pins should output the ground signal, so the light will be on. This is the reason we put these three lights as a test. That's why I put the lights on this test panel. Okay, let's continue. Now we can see we use the CAN tool to simulate the VCU. Now let's open the CAN tool one by one. The first tool we use is the DCAC Pro. DCAC Pro is a Chinese CAN tool. And the second one we use is the PCAN. The PCAN okay. Now we can see the PCAN is also receiving the CAN messages from the integrated controller. We have oil pump send to VCU 2 signals and air pump send to VCU 2 signals, and DCDC send 1 signals. And when I click data, we can see each status of the oil pump, air pump, and the DCDC. And we have put the simulate VCU CAN message also inside. And this is the VCU signal to the air pump controller, oil pump controller to the DCDC controller. Okay, the first one we will need to control the oil pump by VCU. Okay, now I turn on the DCAC relay. It's on. And I send the command to run the air pump. Now it stopped. Now I select to speed running, and now the air pump is off. I send the CAN message now. We can see when the CAN message is sent, the command is sent, running. The simulation air pump is running. Now I send the stop command. When I send stop, we can see the light now is off. Okay, this is the air control, the air pump control. At the same time, we will use the training scan tool to record the CAN message. This CAN message, CAN logs we will use as a record for the video. Just now we use the CAN tool to send the air pump command, and we'll do it again. Now it stopped, and I send the running. So the air pump now is running. Now I send the stop signal. I send the stop signal. Now it's off. Okay, the second one we will test the oil pump. The oil pump now is stopped. I select to running. Start. We can see now the oil pump is also running. It's controlled by the CAN message. And now I send a command stop. We can see now the light is off. The DCAC, the oil pump is off. Okay, the final part we will do the testing is the DCDC. First step, we need to turn on DCDC relay. Turn on K3. K3 is the DCAC relay, DCDC relay. Turn on K3. Now we can see the output of DCDC is off. And I send the CAN message. I send stop and send the CAN message. We can see that the voltage is on. The DCDC is outputting the voltage. Now I send the command off. Stop. And we can see the voltage slowly drops because the DCDC is off. Okay, now all the testing for the CAN control is completed. Thank you for your watching.